what is CBIA's role in helping people through the pandemic, and how do you see that?
Wow, I could talk the rest of the interview just on that. It's been, you hate the fact that it was a global pandemic that has cost so many lives that created this, but there was, I always look for a silver lining inside those black clouds. And one of the silver linings was just seeing how people came together and stepped up. And talking first specifically about our team, I've always thought of myself as, maybe a marginal manager at best. But, when I see how everybody rallied to the cause and stepped up and just outperformed in every way, shape, and form, new roles, whatever they could do, because we were just overwhelmed. Those first couple of days when people started realizing what was going on and businesses were shutting down or working from home, we just got just overwhelmed with inquiries from our members and non-members. And so it just kind of went in waves. Initially, it was like, geez, how can I keep this virus out of my workplace? And we would share CDC guidelines and other things and help them keep their places clean. And then it was like, okay, what if I have a COVID infection? How do I deal with that? And we would help them with that. A lot around workforce. What do we do? Do I furlough my people? Do I just lay them off so they can collect unemployment? How's that going to work? How does shared work work? The shared work program at Department of Labor work? Move from there onto the recovery programs. How do I get PPP? PPE, the other acronym, PPE. How do I get masks and face shields and everything else that I need? Just kind of an ongoing just stream of questions that came in. And as I said, our team stepped up and responded to those. And then beyond that, doing webinars like a lot of other groups, we're not just trying to get out there with everybody else is doing. We're really looking at unique things. One of the first ones we did was with General Stanley McChrystal, which was great. He's been out, offering free services to groups like CBIA to talk about leadership during times of crisis. He headed up JSOC during the Afghan war and totally remade. It was in the book that you shared with me, Brave New Work. They talked about Stan McChrystal. So we did a webinar with him. I just did one earlier today, or at least introduced one with our other affiliate, ReadyCT, around remote learning. We tried to get, market that to parents and how am I going to deal with teaching my kids and what schools are going to look like in the fall. We had a great panel of experts talking about that. So just pumping out information.